The Dodge Viper ACR, American Club Racer, is an iconic sports car that represents the pinnacle of Dodge's performance engineering. Known for its aggressive styling, race-inspired interior, and exceptional performance capabilities, the Viper ACR is designed to dominate both the track and the street. The exterior of the Dodge Viper ACR is instantly recognizable with its low, wide stance and aerodynamic enhancements. Key features include an aerodynamic package, lightweight materials, and distinctive styling. The ACR comes with a comprehensive aerodynamic package, including a massive adjustable rear wing, front splitter, dive planes, and rear diffuser. These components work together to provide substantial downforce, enhancing stability and grip at high speeds. The use of lightweight materials, such as carbon fiber for the aero elements and body panels, helps reduce the car's overall weight, improving performance. The Viper ACR features a bold design with a prominent hood scoop, aggressive front fascia, and striking side exhaust outlets. The iconic Viper stripes are also available, adding to its visual appeal. The interior of the Viper ACR is focused on the driver, offering a blend of functionality and minimalism. Race-inspired cockpit, performance instrumentation, and simplistic design. The cabin features high-bolstered, race-inspired bucket seats with Alcantara and leather upholstery, providing excellent support during spirited driving. The instrument cluster includes a large tachometer, digital speedometer, and various performance gauges to keep the driver informed. The interior design is minimalist, with an emphasis on reducing weight and distraction. Essential controls are easily accessible, and the overall layout is driver-centric. At the heart of the Dodge Viper ACR is a naturally aspirated 8.4-liter V10 engine, power output and performance. The engine produces a formidable 645 horsepower and 600 lb-ft of torque, making the Viper ACR one of the most powerful naturally aspirated sports cars ever produced. The Viper ACR can accelerate from 0 to 60 mph in around 3.3 seconds, with a top speed of approximately 177 mph. Its track-focused suspension and brakes ensure exceptional handling and stopping power. For enthusiasts seeking even more power, aftermarket turbo kits are available for the Viper ACR. A turbo kit can significantly increase the Viper's horsepower and torque, with some kits pushing the engine's output to over 1,000 horsepower. Turbo kits typically include upgraded intercoolers, fuel systems, and engine management systems to handle the increased power and ensure reliability. Here is a comparison with Ford Mustang and Dodge Challenger Hellcat. The Ford Mustang, particularly in its Shelby GT500 variant, offers comparable performance with a supercharged V8 producing 760 horsepower. However, the Mustang generally has a more user-friendly character and broader appeal. The Mustang is known for its balanced handling and modern technology, but the Viper ACR's track-focused design gives it an edge in raw performance and track capability. The Mustang's interior is more refined and comfortable for daily driving, while the Viper ACR's is Spartan and focused purely on performance. The Dodge Challenger Hellcat features a supercharged 6.2-liter Hemi V8 engine, producing up to 797 horsepower in the red-eye variant. While it has more power on paper, the Hellcat is heavier and less agile compared to the Viper ACR. The Hellcat is more of a straight-line performer with impressive acceleration, but lacks the track-focused handling characteristics of the Viper ACR. The Challenger Hellcat offers a more spacious and comfortable interior with modern amenities, making it better suited for daily driving and longer trips. In conclusion, the Dodge Viper ACR stands out as a no-compromise, track-oriented sports car with extreme performance capabilities. Its raw power, aerodynamic design, and race-inspired features make it a unique offering in the automotive world. While it may not have the everyday usability of a Ford Mustang or the sheer power of a Dodge Challenger Hellcat, the Viper ACR's focus on delivering an unparalleled driving experience on the track sets it apart from its competitors.